Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your DOOGEE T10. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then go to the search bar and look for the fax app. Now choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax, so we have to open it. And now to choose the source of your document, click on the plus, choose the source, like a gallery, and pick your photo. Of course, you can pick more than one photo. If you are ready, click import. Now you can add this shape to your document. And click on the arrow. There is a place where you can choose your filter for your photo to make it more visible for the receiver. You can also add a signature, text, and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept. Type the number in this place. Choose the country from the list. You can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, tap on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, get your free credits or just buy it, click on this button, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.